Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use text to image in Adobe Firefly. The text to image feature in Adobe Firefly developed by Adobe allows you to create image simply by typing a description, and it is one of the easiest way to generate creative visuals without any design skill. So first you need to open your browser, and what you can do is in the top there's an address bar. Type down firefly.adobe.com and enter it, and make sure you have logged into your account already. Over here under this interface of your prompt section, what you can do is you need to simply click onto this image here, and you can simply describe what you want to generate in the prompt here. As I'm going to type down sunset here, and after you type down the prompt that you want to generate the image from, what you can do is you can click onto the generate here, and make sure to be specific, add colors, mode, lighting as well. Like keep it simple at first and then refine it here. And after that, Firefly will create multiple images variations based on a prompt within few seconds over here. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.